Good morning, guys. It's Friday morning. Market's looking good. Dow's up 110 points. And we're going to do some real trading. This is the purpose of this portfolio. I am doing some real trading for you guys so you can see exactly what's going on. Take your time, leave the market alone, let it do its thing. You can always go back and start buying some stuff. Okay, first things first. You see number 4 here? What does that mean? Let's open it up. I had 1 share as a monitor. I added another 3 shares because it dropped big. So that's my monitoring device right here. VMware, which was part of Dell. I think it was a spinoff of Dell. Did not do really well, so it dropped today. Therefore, I am going to monitor it, and I will see how far it's going to drop. Now, this will drop for sure today, Monday, Tuesday, and at some point it'll settle, and that's the time we're going to pick up. Okay. Alta, see it? I shorted that stock. I shorted 2 more a couple of days ago at 414. I cashed that, and I left it alone right now. Alta is a good company, so we will at some point, we're going to go long on that. Not today. Peloton, bad earning. It dropped. I was always short in Peloton. It's not worth $105. Should go way below 100, way below 90, and it will go. Okay. Now here's another 4 right here. Big lots. Another bad earnings. I picked up 4 of them as an indicator. Here's another one. 4 of them. Guess what? I picked up 4 on this one. I could just cash it out. $24 gain. No need. I'm just keeping this as a monitor. It's the price that we have to pay to keep our eyes on the market. Dell dropped. Dell is a good opportunity to buy. I always love to buy Dell, but not today, not right now. We will. You know what? Here's what we're going to do. At 96.3, right? Dell is a great company, not going anywhere. So we're going to take a look at Dell to see what was the lowest for today. It's a little too early, but the lowest is 95.81. Why don't we put in 10 shares, since it's very close to the lowest, at 95.50. Okay, we're going to buy 10 shares at 95.50. If it picks up, why not? It's a good investment. We'll come back to it again. Here's that Dell. Next one we have. Let's go down the list to see what opportunities we have here. Remember, this watch list is for you guys. If you're a trader out there, you want to be on this watch list. Here we go. Bubba. I've got an order at 158.50, and I guarantee I'm going to get it sometime today, and I'm not going to go lower than that. That's all the money I'm going to pay, 5.5 shares only, and that's all I'm going to do. Listen, you don't have to be like me because my risk knob is a lot more to the right than the center, so you don't have to be like me. I'm just doing this for you guys to see if you push it, if you push your button on the knob further to the right, if you move it further to the right, you're going to have more of a risk, but the reward's going to be great too. Bubba is not going anywhere. Yeah, it may go down lower, yes, but it'll always it'll 100% bounce back up. What else we got in here? These are another suckers right here. Pull. There's no reason for pull to be 474, so I'm short 100% on it. Burlington had a bad earning. I was short on it. I converted it to long. So here we go. We'll go down the list, okay? We're going to do this together. We're going to go over what's worth buying, what's not worth buying. Costco is still too expensive. We're not going to touch it. WDF, expensive. Carlyle Group, good company, right here, okay? This is a good company. It's a hedge fund. 47 is a little pricey. They've got a good dividend. We're not going to touch it. Dollar General. Some of my people dumped it at 225, 226 yesterday, and I said, dump it. You can pick it back up again. Guess what? It will go back lower. No rush. We'll wait on that. I'm short on that. I'm not going to convert it yet. SGen. CGen right here. Good company. Software company. Why do we put in order? 167. I was at 163. What do we put in order here? Let's see. SGen. What do we get on SGen? Lowest is 166.69, 167. You know what? It's very close to the lowest. If the market drops down, for sure this will go down. So why don't we buy 10 of them at 166? If the market gives it to us 166, why not? We buy it. Here we go. Now, I know I'm doing this a little early, and I tell you guys just to wait, but I'm going way below the lowest of the day. So I'm in the safe zone. I may not catch it, but if I catch it, it's okay. Microsoft, I'm short, 15 shares. All right, I got a $464 hit, but it's gone up too far. I dropped some yesterday. What else we had here? Okay. Splunk is too high up, not yet. Valmont Industries, nope, too high up. I'm looking for deals here, all right? If you're a trader, if you're a stock trader, you're looking for deals. You're not like just looking to buy something and just hope that it's gonna, by luck, it's gonna go up. If I get a deal, I'm gonna pay for it. If I don't get a deal, I move on to the next opportunity. Here we go. Billy. It's a Chinese stock. It's 76 now, low is 40. It's got a way to go down. I know I've got $123 gain on it. No need. It's only $1,400. I can sit on it. Not a big deal. Tree. It's gone down. I picked up some yesterday. Let's take a look at it. All right. See? This is the real way you've got to place your orders. 200, 168, 163. You see this? This is the way you got to do it. You don't come down 163 and then go back 167. Your next order should be lower than 163. So what do we got in here? 162.50. Let's see what Tree has done here for us. Tree. Here we go. Lowest 162.17 is 163. You know what? If I get it at 161, why not? I'll take it from you. You don't give it to me 161, your loss. I am not going to get it. Have a nice day. Next one. What else we got? Dollar Tree right here. So these are safe plays. You put 22 shares. It dropped another dollar today. Yesterday had a big drop yesterday. You're only down 50 bucks. Okay? I didn't go buy yesterday like 50 of them at freaking 50, 94, $95 or whatever the price was so I can be down a few $100. I'm only down $50. Let's take a look. How am I down? I bought it at 93.50. Did not get a better deal than 93.50. What's the price right now? 92.3. Very close to the 52-week low. Why not? Let's go. I'm in the shopping mood today. Let's go. 10 shares. You know what? 91.91 is the lowest. This is close to the low. Why don't we get it? If I get it at 91.50, dump them to me. I'll take them. Put that on in your bucket list, guys. I hope you guys doing this with me. Whoever you may are. Yeah, if you're doing this in the afternoon, this is not the time to buy in the afternoon. You buy it now in the morning. Okay. What else we got? HD is still too high. Logi. It's a good company. Why don't we pick up 10 shares of it? It's kind of like in between 52-week high and low. I'm in Logi here. Let's go. 103.29, 103.88. See? Not far from day's high. So why don't we get it? If I get it at 103, why not? I'll buy it. If not, there'll be Monday or another day or next week. Here we go. You see how many orders you guys are putting in? You got to put in, it's like you throw in 100 hooks out there and you're hoping out of the 100 hooks, you're going to catch about 20 fish. Those 20 fish is going to make your day. Okay, Vive, I'm short on that. Another stay at home. These are all going to come down. Novo Nordisk, pharmaceutical. It is pharmaceutical. Okay, here we go. Citrix, right here. Another good one. Way too close to the 52-week low. It's been battered too long, and it's dropped a little bit more today. Why don't we buy 10 shares right here? CTA. I like to do round numbers. You know, if there are these prices, 10 shares is good. If it's like large prices, we want to do 5 shares. So we're gonna buy 99.63, 100. Why don't we do 99.70? I may catch it. Here we go. What else we got? Teladoc, it was a pandemic darling. It's gone. Bye bye. Okay, HPQ did not have a great earning. Dropped a bit. Not a whole lot. It's 2. That means it's a safe play. Let's see how much we can get it at. I know I don't encourage buying it, but it's not a big drop. That's why it's okay to buy. I'm going to do 30 shares of it. I'm going to buy it at 20.2, 27. What do we do? 27.55. It's possible that it gets there, and it's possible it would not. Big deal. SJM, forget it. Walmart, it's a good short, but you know what? I'll wait on it. EVBG, nothing yet. DKS, I shorted this stock right here. You see it? I can probably short it again. Another 2 shares. Let's see. DKS went up, I think, to almost 136 yesterday. Let's see what we got in here. We can do 135.73. What do we get it at 136? It may turn around. It may go up to 136 today. So we'll go move up with it. I'm going to take his hand, her hand, and I'll move up the ladder with you. VIX. Here's my favorite right here. You should always have a VIX in your portfolio. Always. There should be always a VIX sitting there. I bought 50 shares this morning right here at 26.40. You see it? So why don't we just add? VIX is really at its lowest. This is the time you want to buy VIX and stay long on VIX, by the way. But why don't we buy another 50 shares? Lowest is 26.38. You see it? Why don't we do it 26? What do you guys say? 35? Yeah, let's do 26.35. Let's see if it catches. Lowest is 52-week low is about 25s. So that is like really, really low. I mean, this is something that it may just spike up to freaking 80. One day you wake up in the morning, it's gone up 30 points, 40 points. This is the way it's going to work. Right now, it's just going down and down and down. It will hit 25s as well. Okay, Salesforce. Salesforce right here. Maybe time to convert it. I think maybe time. Yeah, it's beginning to come down. So that's a good conversion candidate. So we'll come right here. We sell it all. Market. Don't worry about limit. And we come here. And we go immediately a conversion. CRM. 1. Short. Don't do limit. Just do a conversion on it. Okay, right here. Here we go. Okay. So now, what else we got? Target was my short on that. I'll wait on target. CDW short, 100%. Gone up too long. Polaris short, long Polaris. Not doing much. It's okay. CRI. I know it's a couple of you guys I told you guys buy yesterday. I am short on that. Yeah, it's not a big deal. It hasn't gone much. BBY is still expensive. Quest, I'm short. Yes, it is up there. No need to buy it. Abbott is high. Here we go. Look, right here. VIX. My VIX got picked up. See this? We got a fish right here. Congratulations, guys. We've got a fish right there. And this is the way you're going to get your fish. All right, so let's see. Apple. You see, I'm short Apple right here. It's been sitting up there for a while. I don't think it's going to go up beyond 150, 151. It's going to hit low before anything. I would probably just wait for it to hit low before I convert it. What else we have? So we're going to go down to this. Now remember, this is going to change because as you go through the day, when you go through the day, things are going to change. You'll have more stuff that's losing for the day that you're going to go and put your orders in. I'm just starting this right now. So that continues all the way till 11:30. You want to stop by 11:30, 12 o'clock because at that point all your orders are in And then we'll see in the if it gets picked up, and then in the afternoon you make a decision to sell them or you dump them, or whatever you guys want to do. Okay, what else we got here? Let's see. TD. I like TD. It's a good company. I mean, you know, I bank with TD. So it's 65, pretty far away from 52-week low, but it's not going anywhere. It's a solid company, so we can pick up maybe 10 more. I picked up some yesterday. So 10. Low is 65.45. Why not? We'll do 65.45 as well. 65.45. These are the companies that, you know, even if you don't sell it immediately, it's still going to give you um, some dividend. Not a whole lot. We're not holding for dividend at all. Remember that. We're doing it because we want to cash out. We don't care about the couple of pennies in dividend. What else we have in here? All right. So you know what? This is what we got so far. By the way, I like IBM. I know it's been on around this price for quite some time. I placed an order yesterday, didn't go through. That's fine. So why don't we see if it goes in today for something? IBM. Let's get 10 shares of IBM. See how you guys spreading your risk? You get a little bit of everything. 138.41. Why not? If I get a 138.40, you can give them to me. No problem. I'm a buyer. 138.40. What else we have? You know what? Let's go to Netflix right here because I showed it 2 shares at 559. I caught it. It's 561 right now. It's going, pushing up higher and higher. It's 562 right now. I got 12 shares short. Why don't I go another one? Just one at 563. See it? Far away. I did 2 shares, 559. It's still going up higher. Now I'm going to take my time. I did 1 share with 563. Netflix, I like Netflix. I love Netflix, but I know it's going to drop. There's no reason for it to go up like this. At some point, it's going to say, okay, I went up too high, now I got to come down. So the big institutions are luring your little guys, the little guys like us, they're luring them in to buy, okay, come and buy it, then I'm going to short it, then you're left with the bag at a high number, and you're going to sit on that. That's how they're doing it, guys. What else we have in here? Baidu. You know, it's pushing. It's just beginning to be flat a bit. We could pick up 5 shares here. Not a big deal. It looks like it's been range bound around 150s. So Baidu's not going anywhere. Baidu, we could pick up another 5 shares here. Nothing big. 5 shares. 151.89 lowest. 153. So what do you guys say? 150. What do you say? Say it loudly. 2. Good. Whoever said 152 is smart. Okay. It's far from what it is right now, but it's okay. If I get it for 152, it's a good deal of Baidu. Let's go down the list. Here's another good one. This is a safe play. Cone. You see Cone? Well, that hasn't dropped up much. Here's a good one right here. GoDaddy. You see it? 79, 4 shares. That means something really bad happened that day. Dropped down to 79. We bought at 79 to 73. Why don't we pick up 10 shares? You know, it's suffered long enough. GDDY. Let's do 10 shares. Let's do 73 flat. Doesn't hurt us. 73. Okay. All right. So we did 20 minutes of this thing. I think that's enough for you guys to get an idea of what's going on. And I hope you guys are watching this because if you are a trader right now, right here, you want to do this with me. Get it? With me. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time. Otherwise, you're gambling out there. You are playing it safe. You're not gambling. You are buying solid companies that if you get stuck with, they would recover. Here's a good one. PRGO. See this right here? Very close to 52-week low. It looks like it's just beginning to stop dropping. Why don't we buy another 10 shares of it? PRGO. PRGO right here. 39.95, 39.83. You know what? At a 39.85, we get that. All right, so $39.85. We do buy it, and we leave it at, you know what, I'm going to do 20 shares of it. It's worth it. It's not going to go anywhere. And we're going to wrap this session right now, the live trading session, until later. We'll see if there's anything exciting happen. We'll go back up again. But otherwise, continue what you're doing. You can ask me questions if there's something worth buying. All right, guys, enjoy your day. Oh, we got another fish right here. DKS 136. You see this? This is good stuff happening. This is the way you got to do it. You see it? All right, enjoy your day, guys. I'll talk to you later.